effortless glow on skin. But everyday pollution, heat, and chemicals can make your skin look aged and parched. But you can always make use of a facial treatment that not only repairs and recovers the damaged skin cells, but also reverses the skin aging process. Pamper yourself with Keya Seth Aromatherapy Hibiscus Replenishing Hydra Mask. This 3-in-1 sheet mask is rich in 10 hand-picked natural skin-loving components: hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, chamomile, rosemary, tea tree leaf extracts, Scutellaria bacalensis root extracts, licorice root extracts, Cantella asiatica, Polygonum cuspidatum root extracts, and shea butter. Wondering how to use it? Start by cleaning the face and neck with the purifying and hydrating hibiscus cleanser and pat dry. Now, unfold the replenishing Hydra hibiscus mask. Remove the protective back film and apply on your damp face. Not sure what to do with the excess essence on the skin? Well, massage it lightly all over your face and neck. We suggest you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove. Next, it's time for the serum. Apply the rejuvenating overnight hibiscus serum gently and evenly. Massage and just relax for a while. There's no need to wash your skin. With some of the best ingredients combined, Hibiscus Replenishing Hydra Mask resembles a mini facial that plumps up your skin, restores its natural glow, makes your skin softer, smoother, and visibly younger. To feel the difference and make the results last longer, we recommend using the facial sheet mask 1 to 2 times a week. Men and women above the age of 20 with any skin type can use this mask. Thanks to its unique combination, the mask gives amazing results to people with mature skin, and it's completely free from harsh chemicals. For more such videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.